By golly, somebody's been up here, ain't they?
I am wide open.
You kidding me?
I think I'm going to throw a horse. It's wet, sticky snow, and I'm going uphill. So
There's Eric at the Jefferson National Forest Recreation Area. Let's turn you upside down here. There we go. We can get it all now. That's called the Graders whatever road. Scallop Road. It's high knob. Get a better picture.
I think we've gone a lot farther than 10.5 miles. I think that this thing's lost when it's in my pocket. It loses a reception.
Right there's a sign. It says 9.2 miles to Tacoma.
Okay. We came that far at least. We also.
Oh yeah, all that other running around. We are here at a sign at the recreation area. It says Norton 5.1 miles, Tacoma 9.2, and Bart Camp Lake 7.1. And I can't remember what's down yonder, but somebody's been in and out of there. Mine and Eric's little incident. Learn to go to the left when you're stopping, the other ones go to the right.
Make sure the other guy that's following you
knows.
is not captivated by the scenery and looking to the right.